Our topic for today is all about factorial notation. As we can see, we have this exclamation point, but in mathematics, this is factorial symbol. Factorial in mathematics, the product of all positive integers less than or equal to a given positive integer and denoted by that integer and an exclamation point. Thus, factorial 7 is written 7 exclamation point, meaning you're going to multiply from 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 times 7 because that is 7 factorial only. Wherein if you want to get the product from 1 up to 7, 7 factorial is equivalent to 5040. Therefore, 7 factorial is 5040. And take note for this, factorial 0 is defined as equal to 1. Si Louis Francis Anton Arbogast, a French mathematician from 1759 up to 1803, siya lamang naman ang nag-discover kung paano i-apply at gamitin ang concept ng factorial notation. This is our next illustration about factorial notation. If n is a positive integer, n factorial denoted by n factorial is a positive or product of all positive integers less than or equal to n. It is defined by n factorial equals n times the quantity of n minus 1 times n minus 2 up to 2 times 1. As a special case wherein 0 factorial is equivalent to 1 also. Another question, what are the factorials of negative integers and rational numbers? Factorial of negative numbers and rational numbers are undefined. There are some facts that using gamma function and logarithmic function can calculate the represented value for negative factorials and fractional factorials. How is it factorial used in real life? The factorial function can also be used to determine how many different ways there are to select an item from a group of options. Consider the situation where you need to decide what to wear to school each day this week. And these are the representation or table representation for factorial notation. 0 factorial is 1. 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2 times 1 equals 2, and so forth. Kung mapapansin natin, ang gagawin mo lamang ay imumultiply. Okay, as we can see here, 6 factorial, 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is 720. And we have 10 factorial, as we can see here, 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 3,628,800. Examples, we're going to simplify factorials. Okay, number 1, 8 factorial divided by 6 factorial. How to answer this kind of given? First, we're going to expand 8 factorial. 8 times 7 times 6 factorial. Pwede tayong tumigil na sa 6 factorial kasi ang ating denominator ay may 6 factorial. Pwede na nating i-cancel yun. At ang magiging sagot na lamang ay 8 times 7. Makakancel na ngayon which is equivalent to 1 ang ating 6 factorial. 8 times 7 is 56. Number 2, the quantity of 5 factorial minus 3 factorial plus 2 factorial. Okay, what are you going to do? Okay, you're going to get the value of 5 factorial. What is the value of 5 factorial? That is 120. Then, the value of 3 factorial is 6. And the value of 2 factorial is 2. Okay, therefore, you're going to write the value. 120 minus 6 plus 2 equals 114 plus 2. Okay, therefore, the simplified value is 116. Next, given number 3, how about this given? 100 factorial divided by 99 factorial. What are you going to do? You are going to expand it. 100 times 99 factorial over 99 factorial, then cancel it. Pwede nating i-cancel ang 99 factorial, which is equivalent to 1. Ang matitira na lang ay 100. Therefore, the final answer in number 3 is 100. Paano naman natin sagutin ang given number 4? Given n factorial divided by the quantity of n minus 2 factorial. Okay, you are going to expand the n factorial. We have n times the quantity of n minus 1 times n minus 2 factorial. Bakit kailangan natin tumigil sa n minus 2 factorial? Kasi meron na tayong makakancel, which is yung denominator nating the quantity of n minus 2 factorial. Pwede natin i-cancel. Ang matitira na lang ay n times n minus 1. Therefore, the final answer, if you want to get the product of monomial times binomial, the correct answer is n squared minus n. But as a factors, n and n minus 1. Next, given number 5, how about this one? The quantity of x minus 4 factorial, that is equal to 5 factorial times 3 factorial. Ang una mo nang gagawin sa given number 5, i-simplify mo muna yung nasa right side. Okay, what will happen? X minus 4 factorial, copy, equals 5 factorial. The equivalent value of 3 factorial, nasa table natin sa kanang bahagi. Ang equivalent value ng 3 factorial ay 6. Ibig sabihin, ilalagay na natin yung 6. Then copy, x minus 4 factorial equals 5 factorial times 6. And as we can see, if we are going to include 6 to our 5 factorial, that will become 6 factorial. Therefore, that will become x minus 4 factorial equals 6 factorial. Then cancel na natin, or i-isolate na natin ang ating factorial symbol. It formed linear equation. We have x minus 4 equals 6. To get the value of x, we're going to transpose it. Negative 4 will become positive. Sa right side, we have x equals 6 plus 4 is 10. Therefore, the value of x here is 10. Okay, we're going to check. Again, our given, original given is the quantity of x minus 4 factorial equals 5 factorial, 3 factorial. Ito yung ating table of values. Ayan. Kung mapapansin natin, ang 0 factorial to 6 factorial given. Ayan. Ang value ng x natin kanina ay 10. Substitute lang natin. 10 minus 4 factorial equals 5 factorial times 6. And 6 factorial is equivalent to 6 factorial. And the equivalent value of 6 factorial is 720 equals 720. Check. Therefore, tama yung ating nakuhang sagot na value ng x, which is 10. Next, given number 6. How about this one? 7 times the quantity of y plus 2 factorial equals 5040. How to simplify this? Okay, now, first step, we're going to divide both sides by 7. Okay, ito muna yung ating value. I-divide na natin siya sa 7. Kaya makakancel na yung ating 7. Matitira na lang sa left side ay y plus 2 factorial in left. Sa right side, i-divide directly ang 5040 divided by 7. Ang makukuha mong sagot ay 720. Then, yung nasa right side nating 720 ay hahanapan natin ng equivalent factorial. At ang equivalent niya ay 6 factorial. Then, isolate na natin ang factorial symbol. Mag-form na uli ito ng linear equation. Y plus 2 equals 6. What will be the value of y? 6 minus 2, y equals 4. Therefore, the final answer in number 6, the value of y here is 4. We're going to check it. Okay, 7 times y plus 2 factorial, original given, equals 5040. The value of y here is 4. 7, ayan, 7 times 4 plus 2 factorial equals 5040. And we have 7 times 6 factorial equals 5040. 7 times 6 factorial is equivalent to 7 factorial equals 5040. and the value of 7 factorial that is equivalent to 5040. Check.